Okay kids, I'm doing a review of a tractor and hay baler. And let me show you what all it can do. The wheel can spin, the seat can spin, the wheels can spin, and the hay baler does this, and here's the bale, and here's what it can do too. On hitch, and let me just show you that plain hay baler. Let me turn it over and show you what all it has under it. It has this little thing to pick up hay and make a hay bale. And here's the wheels that keep them steady. And here's what's under to make it in there. Let me show you what's in there. Do you see, kids? That's everything in there. Kind of cool, kids, huh? Well, bye, kids. Have a good night. Bye. See you tomorrow. Make a review tomorrow of your own.